I'm going to show you how to make a typical daily Chinese meal. We will make rice, a soup, and 2 stir-fry dishes, tofu and zucchini with chicken. Start by cooking 1 pound of jasmine rice. You can watch my video, Cooking Jasmine Rice. Then prepare a soup. In a saucepan, put 1 chicken thigh, some chicken bones you may have in the freezer. Also take the bone from the chicken thigh for the stir-fry dish. 1 small onion cut in 2, 1 small slice of ginger, 2 garlic cloves, crushed and peeled, 6 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Bring to a boil with a lid on high heat. Cut 10 ounces of choy into sections. It has very mild taste. It is widely used in Chinese cuisine. Before the soup boils, skim it. Then let it simmer for 20 minutes over low heat, leaving the lid slightly cracked to prevent any overflow. For the zucchini and sauté chicken dish, marinate 1 chicken thigh. Remove the skin. Cut it into 1/2 inch pieces. Put them in a bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, some ground pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix and let it rest while continuing the preparation. Cut 1 zucchini into slices. Also 4 white mushrooms. Chop 3 garlic cloves. And cut 1 small onion into chunks. The soup has simmered for 20 minutes. Add the choy and immerse it in the soup. Put the lid back on, leaving it slightly cracked, and let cook for 15 minutes over low heat. For the second stir-fry dish, cut 1 pound medium firm tofu into 1 inch cubes. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chopped garlic. Cut 1 spring onion. Prepare the tofu seasoning sauce. In a small bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine and keep aside. After 15 minutes, the choy is tender. Turn off the heat and put the lid on. To stir-fry the tofu, in a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic and grated ginger. Regularly stir. When they start to be golden, add the tofu cubes. Spread them well. Gently stir them from time to time for 3 minutes. Add the seasoning sauce. Stir for 1 minute. Add a 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir for 20 seconds. Finally add the spring onion. Briefly stir and turn up the heat. The stir-fried tofu is ready. Put it on a plate. Keep it warm under a cover. Make the other stir-fry dish. In the same pan, still heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Regularly stir. When it starts to take on color, add the marinated chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let them sear for 1 minute. Then turn them over and leave them for another 30 seconds. Briefly stir and add the onion and the mushrooms. Stir from time to time for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then add the zucchini and a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Putting a lid on. The sauté zucchini and chicken dish is ready. Put it on the plate. To prepare dipping sauce, in a small bowl, put 1 teaspoon of chili oil with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix. Cut the chicken thigh from the soup into pieces. Everything is ready. Put the choy soup in a large bowl. Serve small bowls of rice. In the center of the table, place the large bowl of soup and 2 stir-fried dishes and the dipping sauce. In front of each guest, place a small bowl of rice, a spoon, a pair of chopsticks, and a small bowl of soup. In a Chinese meal, there is no starter or dessert. All the dishes are on the table, and we eat them all at the same time, including the soup. During the meal, we like to drink tea without sugar. These are often black oolong tea, jasmine tea, or Japanese green tea. We share the dishes, helping ourselves as we go, piece by piece. During the meal, care is taken to ensure that the dishes are enjoyed equally among the guests. You don't take a large quantity to put on your rice. To eat, you hold the bowl of rice in one hand, and using a pair of chopsticks, we take a piece of meat or vegetable from the common dishes and place it in our bowl. Then we eat it with rice. To enjoy the soup, we use a spoon. You can also bring the bowl to your mouth, and we also use chopsticks to pick up the pieces in the soup. Everyone can have more soup, just like tea. Making such a meal doesn't take long. After starting to cook the rice and simmering the broth for the soup, the 2 stir-fried dishes are ready in 20 minutes. It's up to you to enjoy daily Chinese meals with rice, soup, and 2 or 3 dishes. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.